A prayer for help. I'm surrounded by many troubles, too many to count. My sins have caught up with me, and I can no longer see. They are more than the hairs of my head, and I have lost my courage. Save me, Lord. Help me now. May those who try to kill me be completely defeated and confused. May those who are happy because of my troubles be turned back and disgraced. May those who jeer at me be dismayed by their defeat. May all who come to you be glad and joyful. May all who are thankful for your salvation always say, "How great is the Lord!" I am weak and poor, O Lord, but you have not forgotten me. You are my Savior and my God. Hurry to my aid.